Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin and I absolutely love makeup. Today we are going to be creating together this really cute little Halloween look. It is Halloween today in the US on the day that I am filming this, and yeah, I just wanted to look kind of cute for, you know, any trick-or-treaters coming. We're not going anywhere really. The only thing I might do is take Wes to Mansfield. He wants to go to a store called Harbor Freight, so you know, looking cute on Halloween to go out. And my brother did ask me to go over to dinner to his house tonight, so at least I'll be, you know, looking cute for a few errands and dinner. But I absolutely love the way this turned out. So if you want to see how I created this look or just kind of hang out for a while, keep on watching. Before we get too far into the video, if you have not already, please click the like button on this video. It really helps my channel out. And before we get too far in as well, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I try to upload 2 videos a week as best as I can. And it's on Mondays and Wednesdays. It's absolutely free to subscribe. I'm trying really hard to hit a goal I made for myself at the beginning of the year of hitting 300 subscribers this year, and I am so close, like less than 10 people away. So it would really mean a lot to me if you could help me out with that goal. By the way, these Halloween nails, I love them. They were such a pain to get on. They're from Kiss, and the glue might be good, but these had little adhesive stickers and it was a nightmare. They're supposed to glow in the dark. I don't know, it's too light out right now to tell, but I will leave you a note in the description box. But please, they look cute, right? Anyway, let's rewind in time and get into the video. Alright, so I've started with my base done just to save some time. I know that's kind of like the boring part of the tutorials, so to speak. So, I've got foundation, you know, blush, brows, all of that. If you're interested in anything I used, it'll all be listed down in the description box. But we're gonna go ahead into eyeshadow. I've primed my lids. So today I'm using the 2 palettes I actually used last year for when I went to a Halloween party too. These are by NYX. I've got the Swear By It and the Ultimate Utopia. These are the only 2 of their like mega palettes that I have. The other color stories didn't speak to me as much, but I love both of these. I get a really good amount of use out of them. I honestly haven't used them that much at all this fall though. In summer, I was obsessed with this periwinkle shade. I would just put it all over the lid. Here, let me open the lid because that little plastic reflection is gonna get in your way. This periwinkle I loved during the summer so much, and I played a lot with like these lime greens and kind of summery tones, but today I'm gonna go into more Halloween colors, of course. I am gonna use this little Ofra highlighter. It's got a mirror in it since there are not mirrors in those NYX big palettes, but I haven't used this highlighter yet. This is the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in Mother Earth. It's supposed to have a slight green shift, so I thought that would be fun to go with a Halloween look. But of course, let's see here, where is the little tab? All right, I saved this just for you guys since it's brand new. I'm gonna peel off, revealing the mirror, and we're gonna use that as our mirror since these palettes don't have one. And I'm gonna actually start in the NYX Swear By It palette. So this has a lot of like orangey yumminess stuff in there. So I'm gonna start with that in the crease. And as usual, I'm gonna start with my Morphe M441 brush. Love that for my crease. And I'm gonna go in with kind of 2 colors. There's no shade name, so I'm just gonna have to show you, but these 2 pumpkin-y shades. So that one, and then that one, the 2 mattes that are diagonal from each other. One is slightly more brown toned and one is slightly more just like regular orange, but neither of them are like vibrant fluorescent colors. And these are very pigmented for a drugstore price. I believe these palettes are $30 each. You get a huge amount of product, and NYX quite frequently has sales. So if you're interested in these palettes, I would say wait for a sale. And if you really want to get a good deal, wait till it's a sale at Ulta and use your Ulta points towards it. And a lot of times they'll do too, like you get 5 times the amount of points or something as a member if you purchase NYX products on certain days. So keep an eye out if you're interested in these NYX products. Those I would say would be the best time to get them. That's when I got mine, so that you spend way less than $30 and still get a crazy amount of product. I've had these palettes for I think about a year now, and they still perform very, very well. I've had no issues with them whatsoever. I haven't honestly used every shade, they're so big, but I've used a lot of them and they've been really consistent for me. So now I'm gonna switch palettes here, and I'm actually gonna use a shimmer to deepen up the outer corner. I know, who am I? But it worked for me last year when I used this, so I'm gonna do it again because I loved it so much. And I'm actually gonna use, in the Ultimate Utopia in the corner, this purple shimmer. And I'm going in with my JS6, also from Morphe brush. And I'm just gonna pack that on the outer third to give this look a little dimension. And I really am gonna press this in, guys, because it is a shimmer. You'll get a lot of fallout if you're not careful and pressing. You could do a glitter glue if you wanted to, but I'm not going to for this part. I brought some in for the lid shade. Yeah, I'm getting quite a bit of fallout, so I'll have to clean that up before we're done here. Because, you know, I said pack it and then that wasn't working, so, you know, now I'm blending, but it's okay. I know with this formula it will wipe away just fine. You guys probably can't even see the fallout from how far back you're zoomed. Maybe I should zoom you in a little more. There you go. Now you can see the eyes a little bit. There's just a little fallout, but nothing crazy that we can't clean up and get rid of. I'm also going to take whatever is left, no additional product, and I like to do this on the edge and just connect with whatever color I used to deepen the outer corner and put it on the lower lash line on the outside there as well. Going back in with the first brush just to make sure we don't lose any of that lovely orange. And with that same brush, I am going to go back in the NYX Swear By It palette, and I'm going to use this kind of like pukey green color up here. I don't know what else to call it, but I'm going to put that on the lid space where we haven't put anything yet as another matte. So we've got the orange, the green, and the purple basically tied into this look is the goal for kind of like Halloween-y colors. And I really like it, you guys. I do. The star of the show is going to be the lashes. I have a new pair of lashes, and I think they're going to be it. So, you know, I'm not too worried about the shadow anyway, but still, Halloween colors, you know? I'm going to put what's ever left of that green shade on the inner third here, and then I'm going to make sure that we didn't lose that purple on the outside too much. And then I'm going in one more last time with the orange on top to make sure that we still have that in there. If you want more bling, more shimmer, whatever, feel free to use more metallics. This is just what I like. I'm gonna go, I think, try to take care of this fallout first before I move on, so pause. Okay, if you ever get in a pinch like that and you're like, oh, I know if I just wipe this it's gonna smear, because that's what mine was starting to look like, take your brush and actually put a little bit of translucent powder on it first and then kind of wipe like this away. That'll really help. I just used my Coty Airspun, put a little bit on an Ofra brush, wiped, and it's perfectly fine now. So yeah, now I'm taking my Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH09 brush, and we're gonna go ahead in with the Mother Earth highlighter from Ofra. I've heard it's not as green as some people were hoping, but we'll see. Oh, there's a little Salem in here. If you guys heard that little petite meow, the little whine, that's Salem. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and agree and say I don't think this highlighter is that green. You can definitely see it, but it's kind of a gray cast if I'm being honest, which I'm not loving. Like, maybe I can kind of see the green, but it's pretty gray. I don't know. I mean, it'll work for Halloween, I guess. I can look a little zombie-fied, but I'm not sure that that's exactly my favorite. I see what other people are talking about. The other thing is I really love Ofra's highlighters, like the shades and the colors, and the formula feels soft and everything, but their formula does accentuate my texture and fine lines quite a bit, so it is what it is, people. What do you think? Does it look okay on camera at least? So now it's time for the star of the show. Here we go. I got these from Splashes, and they have little bats on them, guys. They're so cute. So I'm gonna try not to trim them because I want to keep the bats on as much as I can. If I have to, I'm definitely not trimming the bats off, but I'm gonna go ahead off camera and do like my mascara, put these lashes on, pick out a lip, and I will be back to show you the final look. All right guys, and here is the final look. What do you think? I love it so much. Let me zoom in to show you these lashes in action. So these lashes, look, they have little bats on them. Can you see there's 3 of them on each lash? They're so cute. Again, I got these from a brand called Splashes online. They are adorable and they have all kinds of styles with different things on them. They're little pumpkin earrings. Okay, so since I last saw you, I added the lashes. I went ahead and added that Ofra Mother Earth green shifting highlighter to my inner corners of my eye as well. And I thought it looked a lot more green there. So maybe it's just looking kind of gray and weird here because of like the color just like not meshing well or layering over my blush, because it definitely looks more green here in the inner corner, I think. I don't know what you guys think. I added a little bit of the LA liner in Outrage in my waterline just to match my lip. I thought like the orange just wasn't speaking to me, you know? I wasn't getting it from the eye look. I used a little in the crease, but it got lost. So I added some to my waterline. And of course I'd use a bright orange lip then as well. I think last year when I did this look, I used either green or purple colored lashes, but I thought the bats were so cute I had to use them. And I think I did a green, like a deep grungy green look, kind of like the same color as that matte shadow. But I went with an orange this year. This is Harvest from Black Moon Cosmetics. It is gorgeous. And I love my little pumpkin earrings, you guys. This is not meant to be, I mean, I'm sure you figured out by now, but this is not meant to be like a scary costume Halloween look. It's just more of like a cute Halloween look. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I know not all of you have like Halloween as a big thing in your countries, but it's Halloween today, the day I'm filming this, so thought it would be super fun to just sit down and film with you guys. I haven't done so in such a long time. And yeah, I hope you have a good rest of your day wherever you are, and I hope to see you again on the next one. Bye!